Hello, everybody, and welcome to Neat Mentor. Good news for you and update on NBE Diploma Seat Matrix. NBE Diploma is the new course that got launched this year, and when it gets implemented, it will be the first time, and it's a new opportunity and new course that you can avail. It's kind of diploma only, which you can do in place of DGO, DNB. Uh, it will be equivalent more or less. So they have released a seat matrix for seven branches, eight branches, and totally there are 712 seats are added. It all based on the approval that received so far. The process of approval accreditation is still going on, and in some more hospital the seats will get added. uh, in the existing hospitals, some seats will get added for new branches like medicine, surgery, and other branches. In the last update that I gave you regarding NB diploma, I had mentioned about this 80 branches, but there are chances that they can increase the number of branches and correspond, and subsequently the number of seats will get incremented. So it's good news that you are getting other options on top of what you have had for last year, and it is diploma. So for ops gynes, there are around 175 seats got approved so far in 43 government and private hospitals. So this course NB diploma can be done not from medical college but from hospitals like DNB, and you do CPS. Anesthesia, there are 113 seats out of 31 hospitals. In ophthalmology, there are 62 seats in 22 hospitals, including private and government both. ENT, there are 49 seats in 14 hospitals. For pediatrics, they have included 126 seats in 37 hospitals. TB and chest, there are 30 seats that got approved till now in 11 hospitals. For radio diagnosis, the number of seats I can say is pretty less. They will add more number of seats based on the progress of approval of the seats. So for radio diagnosis, there are 27 seats in 10 hospitals, and for family medicine, 120 seats in 12 different hospitals. Family medicine, the number of seat is 120, and you see the number of seat for radio diagnosis is just 27. It looks a bit odd because family medicine is a branch where the number of seats used to be lesser. So it's a good opportunity for those candidates who are looking particularly family medicine. So you have got a good amount of seats in NB diploma. So totally there are 712 seats are added as of now. In the future, I will give you update about when, as we know, the number of seats got added. Some more number of seats got added for other branches or the existing branches. So it's great news, and you can have this option NB diploma. In the later video, I will also give you an idea about the cutoff and all, how the cutoff should go, along with other options like NEET PG, MDMS, DNB, and CPS. So it will be good option for you if you're looking for particular branch. So all clinical branches are there, all 8 branches are clinical, and it's a good option. So if you have any kind of questions like when the PG examination is going to happen, you must continue with your preparation. I have already suggested you that you will start your preparation for INI-CET. Even you feel you are not a right candidate going to crack INI-CET because the number of seats is just 800 to 900 only, compared to NEET PG. The seats available in INI-CET is very less, but it will give you as a target that you are preparing for a particular target, and that will ease your preparation. It will give a navigation to your preparation for NEET PG. Otherwise, you might be thinking you have so much of time for NEET PG, because it is, as per the current notification from the PMO, it is supposed to happen after 31st of August, but every day you are losing time. So set a smaller goals and try to achieve that goal. In case you fail to achieve the goal, still you have other, it will help you in achieving the next goal. So that way you can go ahead with your preparation. So that's it from my side in this video, and all the best wishes from NEET Mentor team, and have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.